Most business owners think if they get enough views, enough followers, enough likes, enough comments, they will make more money. But I need to tell you the harsh reality. I've worked with hundreds of business owners and I talked to many of my fellow business owner friends, and going viral is not the answer. In fact, for quite a few people that I've talked to, going viral either does nothing for them or ends up completely messing up their social media algorithm, whether that's YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. And because I've worked with hundreds of business owners, from making $5,000 a month to making tens of thousands of dollars a month, the business owners that are making the most amount of money are not getting the most amount of likes, comments, shares, follows. Because, and you're probably gonna need a pen to write this down as a reminder, views don't equal revenue, strategy does. You may be chasing views right now. You may be chasing subscribers or followers, trying to hit that viral moment to feel like, I'm finally there, and your sales will finally take off. But I want to ask you this question, and you can let me know in the comments your answer. Would you rather have 1 million views and make $1,000, or 1,000 views and make $10,000? I want to show you in this video specifically how to adjust your current strategy so you can stop chasing those vanity metrics that have been grilled into our head that are so important, and start building a content strategy that makes you daily sales. The reason we've been fed for so long that success is more views, success is more subscribers, success is more followers, success is more comments is because the social media platforms want you to stay on those platforms. And how are they going to get you to stay on that platform? To keep you running a race, to get more, to get more, to do more, to do more, to get more. But as business owners, we don't have to chase that narrative, because we aren't relying our revenue on these platforms like YouTube AdSense. So when you hear about all these YouTubers making money, they have to chase a numbers, a views game to make a decent living, in addition to doing sponsorship deals or partnerships. Meanwhile, I have businesses who don't even get 1 million views in a year, who don't even have 5,000 subscribers on their channel, making $5,000 a month from the traffic, the views they're getting on their YouTube videos, because they're following a specific system built for business owners on YouTube. Like I said, I had that client who has less than 5,000 subscribers on our channel, who was making about $5,000 a month, not from YouTube ads, not from sponsors, but from the sales system I want to share with you here, built inside her videos. And I'm sharing all this information because it is grilled so deep into our mind that vanity metrics matter. More views make us look more successful. More subscribers make us look more successful. But we need money to live our lives. And views do not equal sales. What I want to happen right now in this video is to have this mindset shift that even if my videos don't get 1,000 views, I know my videos are attracting the people who are going to buy my digital product, buy my coaching service, buy my course, buy my whatever my business is selling, because that's how you're going to have a successful sales system on YouTube with less than 1,000 views. Here's the sales system that I teach my clients. It starts with the content strategy. And so many business owners want to make quick videos for YouTube, quick how-tos. They think that's going to solve the problem for their audience, get them the views they need, and will magically convert into sales. The problem is most of the time you're focused on beginner content. There are two big problems with beginner content on YouTube. First of all, beginner content is super saturated. So for you to just get started on YouTube and think you're gonna break out in a super saturated area, it's impossible. The second problem is your people who are ready to buy, who I like to call your ready to buy viewer, that person who's ready to pay for a solution as soon as they find it, is not watching beginner content. They're past beginner content. They've already done that. They've moved on to intermediate. They're looking for very specific problems that they are having that your course, your services, your coaching will solve for them. And the best part about that type of content It is not saturated on YouTube. There is a huge gap in this more advanced level content that you can create for your ready to buy audience, that you could stand out from the very first video you post on your YouTube channel, because there is a lack of content for that person. For example, you don't want to do a video on how to grow my Instagram account. The person who's trying to figure out how to grow their Instagram account is just getting started. They've not probably put in a lot of work to figure it out, know what to do. They just see Instagram influencers and they want to grow their Instagram account. As opposed to somebody who may be searching how to get more clients from Instagram Reels. That is a much more specific topic that somebody who has got clients from Reels is looking to get more clients. And guess what that tells us? That person has the money to invest in your course, to invest in working with you one-on-one to help them make better Reels. Do you see the difference between those types of content? Another example would be, what is human design? Or what is my human design? Very broad, very general. Somebody that's maybe just starting to learn about human design, wanting to dip their toe into this idea. As opposed to best ways to make sales with my human design. So this is somebody that already understands human design. This is somebody that already has a business because they're making sales and they want to know how to adjust their sales system to their human design. They got the money. They're looking for a very specific topic that your course or your one-on-one coaching could solve. Again, two very different types of content, but the one is for a ready to buy viewer, because those videos, those more advanced videos, do not need millions of views to make you money. They just need a few views every single month to generate you either course sales or new clients. Other than focusing on beginner content, there are a few other mistakes that I see business owners do when it comes to making more sales from the lesser amount of views on their videos. Here's two big mistakes most business owners make and why they don't get more sales from their videos. The first mistake is asking people to do so many things. You cannot say, like, subscribe, comment, get my download, check out my webinar, buy my product. That is way too many things. In fact, if you're saying like, subscribe, and comment, just completely don't do that anymore. You should have one clear call to action at the end of your video and then one soft call to action somewhere else in the video. Now, if you're following my YouTube playlist funnel strategy, your videos will have a strong call to action to that next video to take people through a specific playlist funnel. And that should be your only call to action at the end of the video. Your other soft call to action can be within the video somewhere. So here's my soft call to action for you right now. Very specific. If you are dedicated to stop saying like, subscribe, and comment on your videos, go ahead and comment on this video, stopping now. So I know you've heard me loud and clear on that one. The second biggest mistake business owners make on their videos that is why they're not getting sales is they don't talk about their offer, or they don't tell people how to get their offer, or more importantly, why they need that offer. You would be shocked at how many YouTube channels that I have audited and videos of theirs that I have watched to not even know what it is that they're selling. And then they wonder, why am I not making sales? They just assume if I put the link down in the description box or in a card up above here, that people are gonna click on it. But we need to educate the viewer why our course, our product, our coaching is the solution for them and what it's going to solve for them. And this should allow you to sell your content in a non-pushy way, but more as helpful. You have this problem, I can help you solve that. So it becomes less scammy and it feels less icky when you're presenting your offer as the solution that they need. There is a specific template that I use for every single video to make sure I'm getting these calls to action right and I'm incorporating them into every single video. And I share how to do that in my mini course, my video game plan. It gives you the template for all the scripts that I write for each of my videos, how I come up with titles and thumbnails. So if you're interested in grabbing that mini course, you could go to trenalittle.com/video plan and get that. It's under $100 and it tells you exactly how to plan your videos for sales on YouTube. Did you hear that? Soft call to action. You need to remember though, not all views are equal views or are as valuable as other views. Here are the steps that you need to do to drive your ready to buy viewers to your videos. First, you need to optimize for sales, not views. So stop thinking about how to create trendy videos. Stop trying to come up with viral video ideas. Target specific search terms your advanced viewer, your ready to buy viewer is searching. And you need to take a little bit of time to dig into those questions and how they're being searched on YouTube. So when they go to YouTube, that's a search engine, right? They type in their problem, boom, your video can be there because there is less amount of content for this more advanced viewer. The second thing you need to do is create content that drives leads, not just likes. So we need to come up with the right content idea, and then we need to ask the right things in the video. We're not asking for likes and comments, although comments are a good thing to do, and engagement on content is great, but you still need to be strategic about the words you are saying in your videos. Not every video should be telling people to leave the platform at the end of the video. You wanna create binge-worthy sessions, those YouTube playlist funnels. And every video can have that soft call to action, like I did with my video game plan, without completely interrupting the viewer behavior, without completely interrupting the viewer experience. The third thing is focus on high value content. And I see this problem coming up a lot with business owners. What do I know to put on YouTube that's not in my course? Or how do I give free content on YouTube that's not my course? We don't have an option anymore. ChatGPT is here. People can get their answers solved on ChatGPT. So if you aren't giving advanced level help to your ready to buy viewer, you're not gonna get sales. You have to be willing to provide this advanced level content to even get people behind your paywall. Because if they feel you're giving free fluff information, they're never gonna believe your content behind a paid wall is valuable. This is how you're going to get the right views on your videos to help you make more money in your business. But do you even know if your YouTube channel is currently set up for making these sales? Because I'd hate for you to miss a single sale because your YouTube channel is not set up right. Here's how to predict if your channel will make sales. Click the video now to watch.